Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Russian body armor. Russian army believe that this body armor will stop 50 caliber bullets. Sure it will or not? Tell us in comment section. Let's discuss this video in deep detail. But before going to detail, I wanna say if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Let's start it. Russia says its new body armor will stop 50 caliber bullets. Is it? Let's consider the logistics, shall we? Russia says its new Sotnik combat system for infantry and special forces for troops will incorporate body armor capable of stopping a 50 caliber bullet. A claim is sure to raise eyebrows in the world of body armor. While stopping such a big bullet is theoretically possible, the armor would be so bulky that it would be unusable. A new Russian program to modernize the country's ground force is promising big advance in body armor technology, and we mean big. The Russian military equipment manufacturer Rostec promises the armor will be able to stop the bullet from a 50 caliber machine gun. Whether a soldier will ever be able to waddle to the front line, however, is a different story. Russian ground force plan to distribute its upcoming short-neck Centurion soldier equipment system to troops sometime in 2025 per task and purpose. Short-neck will supplement and eventually replace the current red-neck equipment set, which includes everything from body armor to uniforms and even flashlights. You can even buy red-neck equipment direct from Russia on eBay. The future tech objectives from Sotnik are ambitious to say the least. The third generation soldier's personal equipment system will feature a number of innovations, including anti-mine boots and anti-thermal suit to hide soldier from enemy detection and an anti-radar element. The Sotnik will also integrate the wearer of the system with automated command and control and micro drones, allowing gathered image to be transmitted in a real time to the helmet, visor or safety glasses. Still, the wild test claim about the new system is that armor will be able to stop a 50 caliber bullet using metal and plastic from task and purpose. The fourth generation Sotnik armor will consist of lightweight polyethylene fiber and armor plating that is engineered to withstand a direct shot from a 50 caliber M2 Browning. Polyethylene is of course plastic, and like all plastics, it's virtually everywhere. You are almost certainly no more than a few feet from a consumer product made of polyethylene at this moment. Polyethylene armor, which is uses a command fault found with plastic as a feature. It melts as a hard bullet impact the armor. It melts the plastic. This causes the molten plastic to adhere to the bullet and slow it down. With enough plastic in its path, the bullet grinds to a complete stop. A 50 caliber machine gun mounted on a US Army Humvee in 2003. This gives a pretty good idea of the size and power of the machine gun. Russian engineers think they can stop with polyethylene armor. Russia's polyethylene armor is called Super Thread, and Russian state media claims it's lighter than Israeli and American body armor while offering superior protection. Thanks for watching the video.